For the first time since March of 2020, teachers at Marjory Stoneman Douglas High School have hit a key milestone in preserving academic integrity. This is because of a program called Lanschool, which allows teachers to monitor the screens of their students in real time to send them messages, link them to the right website, or catch them cheating on a test. The lack of face-to-face communication last year paved the way for teachers to receive test scores that were higher than usual, almost too high.
And this year, when I'm teaching and I talk about something that they should learn in American history, I just say, well, this is what you're supposed to learn last year, but since you all cheated, you don't know what this is. So we're slowly bringing them back, I think, to realizing that you're responsible for being prepared and you get the results you deserve on the test, as opposed to last year when it was almost like free grades.
Some teachers are happy about being able to more efficiently provide tests virtually, explaining that a digitalized test won't require tons of paper or time spent making separate forms as Canvas mixes up questions automatically. Also, a teacher being able to message students allows them to encourage or guide students to find the right answer without disrupting the class or singling anybody out.
Lanschool allows me to take a look at what students are kind of doing on the laptop during the test, so I can see exactly where they're looking, how long they're taking on certain questions. Maybe if a student is stumped on a question, I can possibly go over instead of just monitoring by looking around and maybe missing something like that.
However, other teachers don't find Lanschool to help within the classroom, preferring a pen and paper test to be more reliable for them. Some are even skeptical of Lanschool's efficiency. A teacher we interviewed stated that when it comes to technology, students will always find ways to outsmart us. That's why I use the old-fashioned way of testing.
I definitely prefer tests on paper. It's much more secure and there's less of a chance of cheating, and it's much easier to manage.
However, one thinks, teachers who give digitalized tests have recently regained the lost control of their classroom, as the alternative monitoring software Canvas was prone to false positives. Academic integrity is just one of the many areas that schools like MSD have had to work at preserving, as last year messed with the testing mindsets of students. Lanschool, like 2 years ago, will help teachers put their students back on track to true success. This is Dylan Clausey reporting for WMSD TV News.